Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay from Jay Sotastic. So what? So I just did a video about making a pot holder. I'm not necessarily going to use mine as a pot holder. I'm going to use mine as a face mitt because I don't have any heat resistant fabric in it. It was just basically to give you guys a demonstration of how to make a pot holder. If you wanted to make a oven mitt, should I say, if you wanted to. But if you don't and you use fabric that you could use for something else, that's good and fine. But I'm going to use mine to wash my face with. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do with mine. It's handy dandy. And then I think I might make two more and use them as like hand moisturizers when you put oil on and say you're or lotion on or something like that, and you know how you smooth the oil all over your body. I think that would help for something like that, doing that as well. So if you use terry cloth fabric like I did, then you can have many uses. So I just wanted to say that before y'all watch the video. Okay. Okay. I know I look a hot mess, but I had to come over here and talk to y'all. So I'm going back to work. Bye. Hey family, it's your girl Jay, and welcome back to the channel. It's Monday, and we are making a oven mitt. Okay, so I took one of my old oven mitts that I have, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace it. So I hope you got your mitt. If you don't, then use your hand. Okay, just put your hand down and then draw around it, but draw around it extra big, okay? Because you want to be able to slip your hand into it. I don't have any heat resistant fabric or anything like that. I'm just going to use the old scrap towel that I had. And you can just use any kind of material that you want to use, because we are really just practicing here. These don't have to be items that you use, but it just wants to help you get started with sewing. So I'm going to take my marker. I got a red marker here, and I'm going to make it. I'm doing it so that you guys can see what I'm doing. And I got it kind of close to the edge, so I give myself a little bit of a seam allowance. So go a little extra wide, okay? So I'm going over there and I'm going around. I'm just tracing. That's all I'm doing is tracing. Because your girl ain't no good drawer, so yeah. So I'm just making a little extra, and there we have it. Okay, so now I'm going to cut her out. Let me share it with y'all. This thumb should go up a little higher to give us room to slide it in. So if you did like me, put a little opening in here. A little opening in there. Make that a little wide. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. So I'm just going to take my scissors, and I'm cutting. I do have my fabric folded in half. Okay, so that I can cut two pieces, because you're going to need two pieces. So if you only got one right now, grab another one. And we're going to make sure we leave these lines on here so that we have something to follow. All right. Where's my okay, let's see here. And remember, it does not have to be perfect, okay? So how y'all doing today? It's really, really windy here in Wisconsin. I don't know what's going on in your state, but it's supposed to be 41 today. And I was doing a little work, and then my computer went down. Well, the internet went down, should I say. And then I went and did a little workout. Thus, my workout clothes. So, yeah. Now I decided to come here and do the tutorial of making a pot holder, like we said. And just to let y'all know, I did not finish my shirt. I'm going to try to get it done before I post this video. If I don't, I'll just share it in the community tab or as a short. I don't know yet, because right now, My boss was stressing me out at work today, so I needed to take a little break from the computer. So I don't know, I may get it done. I just have sleeves and straps to put on, so, and buttons and buttonholes. So, and I want to take my time and concentrate on that. So, yeah. So let's go over to the machine and let's sew our mitten. So I hope you left your lines on there so you could just follow those lines, okay? All right, hold on, y'all, while we move over. Okay, y'all, so what I did was, let me pull my top up because this is all, my stuff is all out. We can't be having that on YouTube. So what I did was pin my oven mitt together. As you can see, I got pins around it. So get in the habit of pinning your items because it'll just put you in the habit of doing that. So when you have fabric that slide, you already know what to do. Okay, so with that said, I'm going to fold down to create that little thickness that, you know, you want at the top of your mitt. So in order to do that, you need to fold down about a half of an inch or 3/8 of an inch, whatever inches you want to do that at, okay? So, well, hold on, y'all. Let me go back. Let me go back a little bit. Let me take my pins out. Because what I need to do is pin across first. I didn't think this through, but now I am. Okay. So, I'm going to take my two pieces and we'll separate them. And then I would normally pin, and then I'm going to put my presser foot down, okay? And then I'm going to sew. Put my needle down. I always move mine up a little bit so that I can back stitch, and then I just go for it. Cut, and then so I have, so it looks like this, and you get a little edge just like that, okay? And it looks like that, nice and clean. Okay, and we'll do the same thing with the other side. And let's see, it don't matter if I, okay. So I'm just folding that over. Putting my presser foot down, lowering my needle, back stitching, and then going forward. Oh, I think I broke my thread. Hold on. We was going too fast. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, I did. Let's get it popping. Okay, so let's fold this over. All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, all right. So now that we have, let me cut this thread off because I didn't cut it when I started. Okay. Now we have both sides, okay? And then we're going to take them right sides together. And I'm not going to put all them pins back in there, so I'm just going to follow my lines that I made, my red lines that I made on there, okay? So I'm going to start at the top. So lay your fabric down. Start at the top. The thumb should be facing, the thumb should be pointed to your left. If that's depending on how your machine is set up. I don't know. And then I'm going to go up, put my presser foot there, right on the edge. Right on the edge. Okay? And then I'm going to drop my needle, and I'm going to back stitch. And then I'm going to move forward. And I'm just going to follow my red line as a guide. Because it's right on the edge, and that's where I want to give myself a little room to play with. Okay, I got to stop because I didn't put my pins in. So this is why you need your pins, because your fabric will move. And then you'll be wondering why it's uneven, and that may be the reason why. Because it's moving. Because you got a foot that's pressing it and pushing it. Okay, I'm going around the curve. So I'm pulling it a little bit closer for me. I'm just going to follow the line. Winston back there playing, having a good old time here. Okay, I'm going to stop because I need to give myself some room to move this. All right. And there we go. Keep following my line. And I'm going up into the mitt part, where the finger and the mitt splits. I'm going to go all the way up, and I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to lift my presser foot up, and then I'm just going to pivot. Okay, I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to pivot. I'm going to pull my fabric together. And then I'm going to put my presser foot back down, and then I'm going to sew again. And I'm following the red line. My presser foot is right on the edge of the thumb. Slow down on this curve a little bit so I can maneuver it. Use your fingers and your hands. Slow down if you have to. Okay, so that you can maneuver things. Stop. If you feel uncomfortable, bring your fabric on around. I want to pivot a little bit, so I'm putting my presser foot up. And I'm pivoting right here at the tip of my finger. And then I'm coming around to follow my line again. Okay. And I'm just going to follow that up the other side. Let the machine do its thing. And then I'm going to back stitch. I'm going to go forward just to lock in the stitch, and then I'm going to cut. Okay, and that's it, y'all. That's it. So let's go back over to the table. Okay, you guys, so we have our finished mitt. This is the wrong side. So here, that's the wrong side. As you can see, there's our stitching. Normally, I would go around there and use a zigzag stitch to close it up, or a serge stitch on my overlocker, or serge, or whatever you want to call it. So we just going to turn it inside out. Like that. And I think next time we do the purse, I'm going to give y'all a different view so y'all can see exactly, like an overhead view. Probably make it much more clearer. So, but you guys, I had a wonderful time on Saturday night. I think I danced till I couldn't dance anymore. And one thing I like about the stepping events is that they don't be held in no club or nothing like that. They be held in like social halls or hotels or whatever, event rooms and stuff like that. So you ain't always got to be in the same space with the bar, whether you drink or not. I do drink and indulge in a little wine and stuff sometimes. So I don't know about what stuff. I don't know, no, just wine every now and then. So I do like to have a little drinky drink, but nothing that's going to alter my mind. But with that said, let's get back to this mitt. And here go my mitt. Okay, so I cut my V in there because I really want to be able to get up in there and grab. But this was just a quick little demonstration of an oven mitt. Nothing special, nothing fancy. We just wanted to learn how to, we're learning how to sew. So we just want to learn how to go around circles, curves, squares, um, whatever else y'all may want to do. I don't know if y'all want to do a pillowcase. Like I said, the next thing on my list is making that makeup bag, but I will not incorporate putting in a zipper yet because that I got to work on that myself. So I'll probably do it with like Velcro strips or something else that would be easier for you guys to use. I still got the little tag thing in here. I feel it on my hand. But anyway, that's it for that video, and I will share with you guys the shirt. Getting ready to start working on it now. So with that said, happy sewing, happy oven mittens to my beginners. Love you guys. Keep on pushing out the videos, keep on subscribing. I will see you in the next video. I don't even know if I said J so that's what? I don't know if I said it or not, but I do have a second workout. Look at this stuff all over me. I do have a second workout I got to do today, so I got to get that in too. Yeah, we got to get snatched for the summer. I didn't say skinny, I just said snatch. Okay, but we gonna let it do what it do. Anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. We done with the oven mitt. I hope y'all like it. I hope you just, practice, 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 make it better. Don't make perfect, because no matter how long you've been sewing, you can still make mistakes. Okay, so don't believe that there's any perfect sewists out there. We all have to figure it out at one point in time or another, especially when we are making things that fit us. Okay, so keep that in mind. Don't get discouraged, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye. Happy Monday.